I'm getting tired of this. Enough is enough. Y'all need to repent and turn back to God before it's too late.
Oh Lord, we know.
Hey, Angel.
Yes.
I just had the weirdest dream, and it just kept getting weirder and weirder.
Like what?
Okay, but promise you won't laugh.
I promise.
Okay, so basically,
So there were 4 guys roaming around on horses. Then there were 4 horns, some measurements taking place. Ooh, and Josiah, he was there. He was getting new clothes. Then 2 trees, and one actually happened to be Josiah, and the other was Zerubbabel. Then it was like a flying scroll, but then it was like this woman in a basket getting carried away by like this hybrid human looking creature. I don't know. But then the horsemen, they came back, and then Josiah, like, he was there again, but this time he was getting crowned.
so, what do you think it means? Angel, really? You lied. You literally said you wouldn't lie. You literally lied to me. I thought angels couldn't even lie.
I mean, technically, I didn't laugh. I was cracking up.
Get out.
No, okay, look, I'm sorry.
Get out.
Zechariah, can we like stop grieving now? Is God's kingdom really among us?
It's God's king. Do y'all really think? Okay, hold on. Hold on. This is too funny. Are y'all serious? You can't be serious right now. Are y'all even ready for God and his kingdom? I mean, like, if it was here today, if God was just here, which one of y'all are ready? You know what? I'm not doing this today. I'm not. Yeah.